Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your ZTE ZFive G LTE. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so let's get right into it guys. So I'm also going to be showing you how to set up your SD card so that pictures and videos from now on are saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. And I'm also going to show you how to transfer old files from the memory of the phone to the SD card so that you can free up space. Alright, let's get right into it. First off, we're going to have a slight opening down here on the phone on the bottom where we're going to pull back to lift up the back cover. Comes right out. We're going to install the SIM card on the left side to the back here like this. Push it in with the slanted part upwards and in first, as you see in the picture. Push it in all the way till it doesn't go in anymore. With the SD card, same thing. You're going to slide it in with the thinner part first, like in the picture there, and push it in till it does not go in anymore. There we go. It should look like that. Once you have them both in there, place the back cover on and power the phone on. Or if your phone is powered on, you might need to restart your phone so that it can read your SIM card though. So I'm going to do that now. Let's restart it. If your phone is already powered on, restart it. If it was off, then just power it on. Alright, so the phone has turned on. Give it a couple seconds so that it can read the SIM card and pick up signal. So there you go. Looks like it has read the SIM card. And as you can see, the bars are all the way up. So as long as your SIM card is activated, it should pick up service right away. As long as you're using the right SIM card with the service activated. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to set up your SD card so that pictures and videos taken from now on are saved to it. So first let's go to camera, and then once you open up the camera app here, we're going to go to the settings up here, and we're going to go to save location, which is right here. You're going to select it, and then here it's going to say save location up here. We're going to select that, and we're going to select SD card. So make sure it says SD card so that from now on the pictures and videos that you take will be saved to the SD card so that you won't be filling up the memory of your phone. So pictures and videos taken from now on will go directly to the SD card. Alright, I'm going to show you now how to transfer old files, old pictures and videos that are on the memory of the phone to the new SD card so that you can free up space on your phone. So let's go to apps. You're going to find File Manager, which is right here. Allow. So here in File Manager, we're going to go to Local. And then here, we're going to select Phone because we want to transfer from the phone to the SD card. So select Phone. Here, we're going to select DCIM. That's usually the folder where pictures and videos are stored at. And here in Camera. So as you can see, I have two pictures here in the memory of the phone for pictures. You're probably gonna have a lot more, obviously. So here we're gonna select the three dots and we're gonna select multi-select. Okay, and we're just gonna tap up here to select all. There you go. Once you have all the pictures and videos that you want to transfer over selected, we're gonna hit this move icon down here, which is like a cross. So here it's asking you where you want to move it to. So I'm going to go back because I want to move it to the SD card. And I'm going to save it in the same folder in the SD card, the DCIM folder. And then here I'm just going to create a new folder for this phone. I'll call it ZTE ZFive. Okay, so there you go. There's the new folder, ZTE ZFive. I'm going to move all of the pictures and videos here. So let's hit paste. And as you can see, they were pasted here in the SD card. So let's go ahead and make sure that it's out of the memory of the phone now. So let's go back to phone, DCIM, cameras. As you can see, there are no pictures and videos here anymore. So the files have been transferred over. Also, keep in mind, you could do this with any other one of these files here that you want to transfer over, that you may have a lot of docs in, so you can free up space in the internal memory of your phone. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.